Syed Tariq Bukhari is brother of the Shahi Imam. My next question goes to Mr. Bukhari. What is the problem if Rajnath Singh meets Muslim clerics? What is the problem? Because your brother comes out with a statement supporting the Congress, but Maulana Kalbe Sadiq, Maulana Khalid Rashid, Maulana Kalbe Jawad, Maulana Farangi Mahal, they are not going ahead and issuing statements asking the Muslims to vote for the BJP. So there's a fundamental difference. The BJP says the fundamental. What is your problem?
We don't have any problem. Every citizen of this democratic country have right to meet anybody at any point of time.
Yeah, but there's a difference,
but
right?
The problem is, but when Imam Bukhari meets Mrs. Sonia Gandhi, there was huge hue and cry from the same Bharatiya Janata Party. And when they themselves go and meet the other clerics, and they said that this is just a meeting to in respect of the clerics.
No, because they're not asking for the votes. So what the BJP says, we're not asking for votes. Show me.
Come on, Mr. Arnab. Come on, Mr. Arnab. The point of time when they are meeting, I would request Mr. Kalbe Jawad. Come on, Mr. Bukhari and Mr.
Come on, Mr. Bukhari, show me a statement. Show me a statement where any of these clerics, Rajnath
met anything from the congressmen, Congress people? They said that we requested them to support them.
Arnab, I will answer
you. You came out. You had a meeting.
Imam Bukhari has said that Sonia Gandhi has asked him not to let the secular votes divide. Yes, I would like to say.
One at a time, Sudhanshu Trivedi.
We are clear on that point. We are clear on that point. We will never let the secular votes divide in this country. We will never. We will try till our last breath. We will try it till our last breath.
Secular vote or Muslim vote?
It means Sonia Gandhi has asked the support. It is proven.
Both.
Now it is proven that Sonia Gandhi has asked the support.
No, he admitted.
And for the entire Congress party.
And we discussed the issues. We discussed the issues. We clearly discussed the Muslim issues with them.
And nor it is followed by any.
We clearly discussed the Muslim issues. जो हमारे मसाइल को लेके बिल्कुल क्लियर आएगा, हम उसकी सपोर्ट करेंगे.
मगर आप वहां पे तो आपको
हमारे मसाइल को लेके हमारे इश्यूज पे बिल्कुल क्लियर होना चाहिए किसी की भी सियासी जमात को. आप जहां तक बीजेपी का ताल्लुक है उसमें हमारी आइडियोलॉजी नहीं मिलती. वी क्लियरली डिनाइड देयर आइडियोलॉजी. अगर बीजेपी आज if the BJP is ready to change their ideology, they will be in the same queue.
1 minute. Shiv Sena से एक सवाल है आपको. One at a time.
I would like to add one more thing.
1 minute. One at a time. I'm allowing Prem Shukla.
One more thing.
Prem Shukla.
How you? We are according to Congress.
Like to say
according to Congress, we are a practicing secular country. A person from a particular community,
yes,
he is taking contract for the community votes of his own community. How on when you are denying that you should not
Mr. Shukla,
ask vote on religious basis?
I am not listening you. I am listening you to understand. I am listening you to understand.
And they have Muslim leader and communal credentials. So why how we can allow?
Please repeat it. I am not getting.
When
Mr. Shukla, please repeat your last words.
On Hindutva basis, you challenged us in the court, and in Supreme Court when it was decided that Hindutva is the basic philosophy of this country. After that also you are not allowing us to use Hindutva in the election campaign. We are not using
illogical,
it.
How illogical this is. How can a court decide that? How illogical this is. How a court decide that.
How it is illogical. You are taking fatwa from masjid.
It is your statement, not the court's statement.
How it can be allowed in
it can be your statement. It can't be court's statement.
No. This is court statement. Yes. This Justice J.S. Verma said. No. You can read it. I can send the copy of the.
I have never gone through.
Justice I don't. Bench had already decided, and it had given a specific order. I can send the copy.
Then what do you want? Okay, then what do you want? What's your idea then? What's your idea then?
But then join politics, no, Mr. Bukhari. No, Mr. Bukhari. No, Mr. Bukhari. Mr. Bukhari.
Please.
Mr. Bukhari, 1 minute. Prem Shukla. Prem Shukla, 1 minute. You see, Mr. Bukhari. In that case, join politics.
Yeah, please.
Join the Congress party.
Pardon?
I'm saying in that case, join politics. Become a member of the Congress party.
No,
make
I
it
have never
official.
been
No,
a member of any political
no, make
party.
it official. I'm saying make it official.
mandatory.
Make it official.
Mandatory. It's not mandatory.
No, make it official. What you're doing is unofficial.
Again, you are debating. It's my
don't use
personal.
like he was
It's my
the
personal.
Shahid Siddiqui. Shahid Siddiqui's counter question to
Shahid
Mr.
Siddiqui
Bukhari.
is there. He has an experience of joining maybe more than 15-20 parties. Mr. Shahid Siddiqui is there.
Mr. Shahid Siddiqui.
Yes, I can, but
He
you
is the
have no
most
right. You
experienced
have no
person.
right to speak on behalf of Muslims and using the platform. Now let me speak. Using the platform of Jama Masjid, they have been joining every party. This Bukhari, his elder brother Bukhari also supported Vajpayee ji in 2004 after the Gujarat riots. They have supported Indira Gandhi, they have supported Janata Dal, they have supported Janata Party, they have supported everybody. Using the platform of Jama Masjid. Why don't you leave the Jama Masjid? Why don't you leave Jama Masjid? Why don't you leave Jama Masjid? You can't use Jama Masjid to trade off for Muslim votes. You have been a trader of Muslim votes. You and your family is trading the Muslim
आप
votes.
तशरीफ लाइए निकाल दीजिए.
हाँ यस नहीं सब इस मुल्क के मुसलमान निकालेंगे
तारीख
आपको.
और टाइम बताइए मैं हाजिर हो जाऊंगा. सर झुका के हाजिर हो जाऊंगा.
आपके कहने से वोट नहीं पड़ता. Nobody is voting according to your diktat. Nobody is voting according to your diktat. They did not vote for Congress. Delhi Muslims did not vote for Congress according to your diktat.
मैंने कभी दावा नहीं किया. हमने कभी लीडर होने का, कभी लीडरशिप जामा मस्जिद कभी लीडर होने का या किसी चीज को थोपने का कभी दावा नहीं करती. न ये दावा करती है कि हमारी बात 100% मानी जाएगी.
country knows what you have been saying.
सियासी कंटेक्स्ट में, पॉलिटिकल कंटेक्स्ट में अपनी
दावा
राय
क्या
रखी.
तो फिर एक मिनट. तो फिर मौलाना कल्बे जावेद ने कहा, one second, Maulana Kalbe Javed, who I think has met Rajnath Singh, has said, we are scared of Narendra Modi, but Rajnath Singh has the acceptability of Vajpayee. Abid Rasool.
डायरेक्ट बोलने की जरूरत क्या है?
Abid Rasool.
Come very clear in favor of BJP.
Yes, let me come in.
I request him to come very clear in the
debate. It is. Let me speak, Mr. Maulana. I have been telling very straight on this debate that this is what they have planned. This is planned by Mr. Rajnath Singh to get a certificate of pseudo-secularism because he knows that his party is going to face problems from.
And what certificate was Sonia Gandhi trying to get?
They want to try.
And what certificate was Sonia Gandhi trying to get?
Certificate was only secularism and upholding the constitution of this country.
Abid Rasool is saying like this,
Imam Bukhari is not a takeover of secularism.
One at a time. Let Abid Rasool complete, then you come in.
I want a clear answer from Mr. Abid Rasool.
To polarize the whole.
Is he going to bring secular votes? Is Imam Bukhari going to bring secular votes?
Their prime ministerial candidate, who is not accepted.
Sir, I don't understand this.
This is known everywhere.
Sir,
now this is an attempt.
Rasool ji,
this is an attempt by
Rasool ji,
to try to.
Rasool ji, can you hear me?
But
I would like to say something.
You, they have failed.
No, Rasool ji, Rasool ji, I don't. Please, I'll repeat this once more. I have 2 minutes on the debate. Everyone's watching now. I have one question. 1 minute. Just don't speak over each other. The question is simple. Let's put everyone on the screen like we just did right now. My question is simple. You went hammer and tongs. You worked yourself into a frenzy. Right? Over the fact that the BJP does not speak to Muslim community leaders. You work yourself into a frenzy. Narendra Modi does not wear, a skull cap.
He does not wear a cap.
No. So now when Rajnath Singh is going and meeting these people,
Islamic.
you have a problem with that also. I don't know, Mr. Rasool, what exactly is your position? You seem extremely confused.
We have no problem. We have a problem when they want to divide the Muslim community. As
Muslim
stated by,
votes.
Subramaniam Swami.
You have a problem when they try to divide the Muslim votes of Muslim community.
They want to monopolize Muslim votes.
They want
Muslim votes of Muslim community.
Muslims vote for anybody, they have a problem.
To appeal, let them
They
appeal
want
by
to
their
monopolize.
manifesto.
Divided once the country on
They're not
Islam
Islam
है.
people like Shahid Siddiqui.
They think Muslims are
Shahid
gulams to them,
Siddiqui
slaves
has
of
been
their
propped up
political
by
ideology.
BJP to talk all this.
They are upset when Muslims vote for somebody else. That is their problem. They want to monopolize. They want to corner, they want to try to push Muslims into a mental, psychological, economic ghetto.
Attempt to polarize. That is what we have a problem.
Yes, you have been doing
It is an
it.
attempt to divide this country. What is
And
what
now
we have a
Muslims are
problem.
moving
It is
out,
not
so you are
against
angry,
any
frustrated.
person upon meeting anybody. Absolutely not. You are frustrated. You are frustrated, and you are and speaking as a matter of frustration.
No, Congress party is frustrated because Muslims are not ready to vote them blindly. Muslims are not their blind supporters anymore. Muslims are going out and supporting their various parties, including Aam Aadmi Party in Delhi. They were voting for Aam Aadmi Party. You were very, very upset. You were very upset.
You are trying to demean the clerics.
No. You are trying to monopolize. You are trying to create fear psychosis.
The pictures on your screen.
Fear psychosis among Muslims.
The pictures on your screen. I run them full frame.
India will become a
Ladies and gentlemen, 1 second.
India is a secular state, not because of you. Not because of you.
The pictures on your screen.
Because of the people of this country. People of this country want India to be secular, not because of Congress.
1 second, gentlemen. The pictures on your screen. The pictures on your screen. The pictures on your screen.
India is a great country, and India will remain a great country.
The pictures on your screen, ladies and gentlemen, showing them full frame. What is controversial about this? Rajnath Singh, along with Lalji Tandon, who's the sitting MP, and the mayor, meets the vice president of the All India Muslim Personal Law Board, Maulana Kalbe Sadiq, Maulana Kalbe Jawad, Maulana Hamidul Rasan, Maulana Yasub Abbas, Maulana Khalid Rashid Farangi Mahal. Now, you know, I know that the BJP spokesperson will never accept this. But is this also positioning by Rajnath Singh? Consider this, viewers, that this meeting comes after Rajnath's famous apology to Muslims, where he said before leaders of the Muslim community on the 26th of February, try us once. If we don't come up to your expectations, don't look at us ever again. He also went ahead and said, note that whenever, wherever, if there has been any mistake and shortcoming on our part, I assure you that we will apologize to you by bowing our heads. Many viewers thought that was an indirect reference to the Gujarat riots. Later, speaking to me, he said it was not a reference. But is this positioning seen in, you know, and now a senior Muslim community leader says, and look at how Sudhanshu Trivedi is quiet on that. I'm just going to have one question to Sudhanshu Trivedi. Kalbe Javed says we are scared of Narendra Modi, but Rajnath Singh has the acceptability of Atal Bihari Vajpayee. You know what's happening.
This can be the
No, what personal opinion? You know,
can be the
come
personal
on.
Feeling of Mr.
Come on,
Kalbe Jawad.
Sudhanshu.
But as far as party is concerned,
This is
let him complete this only question to the BJP.
Can I speak for 45 seconds?
This is
10, I'll give you 20 seconds.
I am unable to understand what is communal polarization. These people used to accuse BJP that we have not given any ticket to Muslim in Lok Sabha in Uttar Pradesh. So we are for communal polarization. When our leader meets Muslim clerics, then they are saying we are for communal polarization. And they are accusing us that we try to divide the community. I would like to remind there was a division of within the Muslim community. Let me complete my sentence. I was not interrupting when you were speaking.
You have not done anything. No, you have
not. Rasul, it's not right to interrupt.
Between the Shia and Sunni during the Congress regime. And it was in the BJP regime in 2001 when Rajnath Singh was chief minister.
I think Rajnath Singh is doing... Rajnath Singh, I'm coming in now and wrapping up. I'm coming in now and wrapping up over the pictures. I'm wrapping up over the pictures. I think I have just one thing to say. Rajnath Singh is a very astute... 1 minute. Rajnath Singh is a very astute politician. Rajnath Singh knows the symbolism of this meeting. Rajnath Singh knows the importance of the photo opportunity. And Rajnath Singh's meeting these leaders, therefore, is not an accident. I want to ask you, dear viewers, how do you view Rajnath Singh's photo opportunity out there with all the Muslim community leaders? What do you read into it? Remember, no election is over till it's over. I'll join you on the other side, on the last part of News Hour.